What's going on, tech warriors? Every single year, it's the same drama in the tech world. Rounded design here, camera bump there, 5-minute fast charging hype, and boom, they call it a revolution. Honestly, we're all fed up, YouTubers are exhausted, the audience is bored, and even inside the industry, nobody feels that spark anymore. But today is history. Today is the day the entire tech universe shifts on its axis. Sony has done what no one else even dared to dream. A phone that isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete industry reboot. This will shatter the glossy walls of the iPhone, crumble Samsung's fortress, and teach a lesson to every single brand that's been treating us like fools for years. So grab your coffee, open that popcorn bag, and buckle up, because we're about to talk about the real tech tsunami. Sony Xperia Pro 3. It sounds like a dream, but this is reality. Let's dive into this revolution. Design. Now let's talk about that design, because this is where Sony went absolutely nuts. The first time you hold this, you'll think, wait, is this a phone or a sports car steering wheel? Sony has completely killed that boring, glossy, fingerprint magnet body. Gone. Forever. What we have now is a satin matte black finish. It feels like velvet in your hands, but grips like a lion's paw. No fingerprints, no slipping, just pure perfection. And those edges, aerospace-grade aluminum with micro stripes engraved like the dial of a luxury watch. This phone will make people stop in the middle of the street to stare. Flip it over and check that camera module, no more boring vertical pill. Instead, a champagne gold metallic bump, designed like a warrior's armor. It screams premium, and hold up, Sony kept what actually matters, the 3.5mm headphone jack and USB-C. Because Sony knows, audiophiles still worship wired audio. Salute, Sony. Display. Now let's talk about that display, because this thing is an eye-gasm. Turn on that screen, and your jaw hits the floor. Your hands start shaking. We're talking a 6.75-inch 4K HDR OLED display, and this time with 120Hz refresh rate. Every swipe, every scroll, every zoom feels like you're gliding through the wind. Watch a 4K movie, and it feels like an IMAX screen in your pocket. Hit that headshot in BGMI, and you can spot every single blade of grass. Colors are so vibrant, it's like Sony took the magic from their $4,000 Bravia OLED TV and poured it into this screen. Sunlight, no problem, and the blacks, so deep that if you use it at night, it feels like a black hole is staring back at you. Honestly, your eyes will just say, this is it. I don't need anything else. DSLR killer camera setup. Now comes the real deal. The camera. The part where Sony put everything on the line, their money, their engineering, their soul. On that gold bump, you'll see the words Zeiss T, the same Zeiss used in Hollywood cinema machines. And this time, Sony has packed a 300-megapixel sensor. Yes, 300. So powerful that you can zoom into someone's fingernail and read the book written on it. At night, the night mode is so good, it's like God turned on a spotlight from heaven. But wait, there's more. A 48 megapixels ultra-wide that captures entire landscapes with zero distortion. And an advanced periscope telephoto that gives you 20x zoom so clear, you can count the eyelashes on a bird sitting far away. Here's the killer feature. 4K 120fps HDR video. Forget 60 FPS, now slow motion is so smooth, every single droplet of water dances in the air like magic. The front camera, 50 megapixels. Your selfies will be so sharp that people on Instagram will ask, bro, which studio did you shoot this in? And the 3D to F sensor makes background blur so natural, it looks like a movie poster. This isn't a camera, this is a Hollywood studio hidden in your pocket. Performance. Let's talk performance now, because this thing is an absolute beast. Inside this monster is the world's most powerful mobile processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 6. So powerful that the word lag surrenders before even approaching it. Paired with 12GB to 16GB LPDDR6 RAM, open 20 apps simultaneously, edit 4K videos, game in between, and this phone just asks, is that all? Bring it on. Storage, 512GB UFS 5.0. So fast that movies don't transfer, they teleport. Battery life. Now battery life, because what's a beast without stamina? 6000 mAh monster battery. Wake up at 7 AM, shoot videos all day, game, navigate, video call, and still no fear until midnight. Plus 15-watt wireless charging, and here's the cool part, 10-watt reverse wireless. Your friend's phone dead, just flip yours over and charge theirs. Sony literally thought of everything. For all the gamers out there, Sony dropped a vapor chamber cooling system. Play PUBG, Genshin Impact, or COD Mobile for hours, and this phone stays cold as ice. No overheating, no throttling, just buttery smooth gaming. And you're getting Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, USB-C 3.2, everything is next general. Price and availability. Now, the big question, price. Something this god level doesn't come cheap. Global price is sitting around $1,400 to $1,500. But think about it, with what it offers, if not this, then what? Buy it once, and you won't even look at another phone for the next 5 years. Launch date, just a few months away, and Sony has all preparations ready. The countdown has begun. Honestly, this is not just a phone. This is a movement. This is for those who want to rise above the iPhone crowd and Samsung's flashy gimmicks, and embrace real creativity, real engineering. Will you be among the 1% who become the heroes? Or will you stay stuck in the same old copy-paste world? So here's my question for you. Will Sony Xperia Pro 3 destroy iPhone and Samsung this time? Would you pay $1,500 for this? And most importantly, do you think Sony has actually changed the game? I want your opinions, every single one. Drop them in the comments below. Let's see who stands with Sony, and who's still living in the old world.